Okay guys, my name is Keith Renz. I'm a freelancer in web design from Lusaka, Zambia. So in this video I'm going to share with you many ways of which you can make money as a kid in Zambia. And as a kid I mean like someone below uh, someone below the age of 18 or 16. Like someone who can't get a legal job. Yeah, I think I can consider that one a kid. So it's actually easier to make money as a kid than as an adult according to my observation, and you then more as I'm going to explain. So to start making money, you don't need to have to wait until 18th anniversary. There are hundreds of ways you can raise cash as a young teenager or even in the age of below 11. So currency as a child means power. You can purchase snacks, clothes, movies, games, and so on, as long as you have money. So the first things you have to know about making money as a kid is that um, Uh, for example, in USA, I don't really know here in Zambia, but in USA, the Department of Labor reports that the minimum was this, the minimum age one can start working. The minimum age one can start working in USA is 12 years. Oh, it's 14, and this is for non-agriculture jobs. Now, so for young people under the age of 16 and dangerous working for those under the age of 18, um, they should have limits. So like there are other people like who are young but would like have a full-time job. Yeah, so like when you're 11 or 12 years old, you can't work as a mop or as a cashier if you're in USA. So I don't know about here in Zambia, but there are other things which you can do. That's from there at home. Um, Not really like getting a legal job when you're below 12 years or 16. So I'm going to share with you the 11 options of which you can make money as a kid. So this if you're under the age of 18 or 16, and this video is for you. If you're not, you can share with anyone who is under the age of 16 and would like to make money. So the first thing you can become as a kid, to make money like here in Zambia, can become a lawnmower. So what does a lawnmower do? Lawnmower, how can I explain it? Like cutting grass. You can actually cut grass at your neighbor's house. Just ask them, like, go to a neighbor's place, ask them like, I would like to cut some grass at your place. Yeah, you can go there with a slasher, or maybe with a rowing machine, you can do that and they can pay you. So that's how you can make money as a kid here in Zambia by becoming a lawnmower. The other thing you can do is yard work. Yeah, yard work is similar to lawn mowing, just that yard work can, there are a lot of things you can do apart from lawn mowing. For example, yard work can be sweeping, picking papers, and so on. If you were to go to someone's house and you offer that service, as a kid, someone will be willing to pay you for the service you have done that. Yeah, the other thing you can do as a kid in Zambia to make money, you can become a babysitter. Yeah, but not really as a full time. For example, you can go to your neighbor's place. Maybe you can see maybe your neighbor is very busy. You can offer babysitting their babies, and or maybe just play with your babies or their kids, play with them. Just for being with them. The mother or the father can pay you for just being around there. So the other thing you can do is pet sitting. And but the thing is, it's not common in Zambia. I've just seen it in movies. In the other countries, just to spend time with their dogs, they can pay you. And just taking a dog for a walk, they can pay you. But here in Zambia, I don't know if that's don't know if that's possible. Like walking with a dog, then someone pays you. Yeah. So the other thing you can become is washing cars. Yeah. When you're below 16, maybe you can wash your neighbor's car or your parents' car or anyone's car, and you can request for money. They can pay you, or if you don't request for money, they can pay you just for washing their car as long as you've made it clean. Yeah, you can wash cars. The other thing you can do is, yeah, the kids who are bright, like I myself. Yeah, you can share your knowledge. For example, if you know something, uh, let's say you know how to install Facebook on your app. oh, let's say you know how to install Facebook on your phone, then you've got a neighbor who has just bought a phone and doesn't know anything about Facebook. You can go in there and teach them, okay, Facebook is this is this. This is how you install Facebook. This is how we chat with people. This is how we send friend requests. Yeah, just for sharing that knowledge, someone will be happy, like, oh wow, it's actually nice and easy. They can actually pay you for that. You've shared your knowledge. Yeah, it's easy. The other thing you can do is uh, starting a YouTube channel as a kid. I think this is what I'm actually doing, at least, although I'm no longer a kid or something. Yeah, there are kids who are making millions per month from YouTubing. Not here in Zambia, of course, but in other countries. Yeah, they're making millions. Yeah, as young as 10 years, they're making millions per day more than their parents. So that's what you can do as a kid also. Although for becoming as a YouTuber as a kid, we need a smartphone or a computer. Perhaps with a good camera and make good videos than the ones I'm making. Yeah, as you can see right now, I'm using the laptop's front camera and it's not that clear. But at least I just want the main purpose of this video is just to share the information, not how quality the videos are, because the message is really important in the quality of the video. So the other thing can make money as a kid in Zambia is start a garage sale. So what is a garage sale? For example, if you where you stay, you've got a lot of things of which you don't use, or maybe they are useless. You may sell them to someone who might find use of them. Yeah, things like okay, maybe I'll suggest things of which you don't even use. Yeah, but some people might find use of them, so you can just sell them. Just ask your parents, okay, is this, can I sell this? Yeah, before you sell anything without permission. The other thing you can do is you can sell t-shirts. Now, like you can buy brand t-shirts and start selling to other people. Yeah, that's although this one's kind of hard a bit, but you can. Yeah, another thing you can do as a kid in Zambia, you can fix bicycles for people. Yeah, fixing bicycles, I think, doesn't really need much education. Uh, yeah, based on my experience, at least I've grown up with a bicycle. I know how to fix a bicycle when it gets spoiled. But there are people who doesn't even know like how to fix just simple things on a bicycle. So maybe you can fix your neighbor's friend's bicycle, and the parents of that friend can pay you for fixing someone's bicycle, and you can make money. The other thing you can do in Zambia, as a kid, you can become a personal assistant. As for me, much of the information I know, I learned it by myself. So you can actually learn anything, and you can assist someone in what you know. That's an assistant here. Another thing you can do, I think this is the last one. Um, okay, the last one is what could be the last one? I think the last one you can do is help. For example, if you've got a neighbor who is very old, let's say is a someone who looks like a grandmother, like she's in her 70s or 80s, you can actually help her like clean their house, sweep, and so on, and she can pay if she's got money. Yeah, so these are the things you can do as a kid in Zambia to make money. If you have other questions or if you want to add more, you can comment below. And this was posted as a this was posted as a post on my website. You can actually click on the link in the description and read it from there. It's very explained in long details for you to understand better. Yeah, so goodbye. This is Keith.